Good morning. Welcome to this week's Thrive in 5, 5 ways to optimise mind, body and well-being in less than 5 minutes. That's for me to tell you about it and for you to do it. And that light you just saw me under is called a red light. It's actually a combination of two different frequencies of light. It's called a target light. And I shine that at my face every morning for about 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes, and that brings me a number of different benefits, and these are all very well proven. If you've got any questions about the science of it, I can link to that, or I can refer you to someone that I'll tag on this post who's just started selling these lights. But basically there are four real reasons why I'm doing this: muscular repair, cellular regeneration, energy levels, and anti-aging. So they're the four key benefits that I'm getting out from this. So I sit in front of that target light in my face for 10 minutes every morning, and I do feel increasingly more energized. I find it really helps. Also,